Mixing equal volumes halves the initial concentrations. We must evaluate the ionic product Q equals Ca to the power 2 plus F to the power 2 and find where Q Ksp. For option B, final, Ca to the power 2 plus equals 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 2 equals 5 times 10 to the power minus 3, final, F to the power equals 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 3 equals 5 times 10 to the power minus 4. Q equals 5 times 10 to the power minus 3 times 5 times 10 to the power minus 4 to the power 2 equals 5 times 10 to the power minus 3 times 25 times 10 to the power minus 8 equals 125 times 10 to the power minus 11 equals 1.25 times 10 to the power minus 9. Since 1.25 times 10 to the power minus 9 1.7 times 10 to the power minus 10, precipitation occurs. The answer is B.